Hey mga Mars, and there's
Hi mga Mars! I'm Dennis Pepinito, your Balibalista Maltech, and welcome back to my YouTube channel! So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag. So eto na, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, wala nang kakamahan. So here it is, my bag, my sports bag. Ito yung ginagamit ko kapag nagtitraining. So ayun siya. This bag na binigay sa akin ni Nainoe ang Tadansuna din ng Better Living. So, thank you so much for this bag. And I must be open this one. And the first thing you will see here is of course the wallet. You can't live on your house without your wallet. Kasi malamang paano ka magbibiyahe, girl? My wallet is black. Common. Halos lahat ng gamit ko is black. And this one is Philippine Airlines pa rin. Hindi kasi kapag sa biyahe yan, lalo na pag malayuan, I'm use this one. Para maka-orlo. Para maka-orlo. Okay. And also my ID in Taguig City University. Kailangan to sa araw-araw na buhay. Of course, this pang ML for the para sa ML when I get bored in sa biyahe and pag nag-aantay ng plane. ML is a key para iwas bored strike. My earphones, need ng earphones of course, and this is under my umbrella, So this umbrella is black, diba? I told you it's all of them are black. Most of them are black. Maliban na sa earphones. And the next one is this one. Nakalagay is don't be afraid, just believe. So ayun. Translate. Charot. So don't be afraid, just believe. Just believe in yourself na kaya mo yun. Ang laman naman nito is sports headband. Kailangan sa laro. Dahil long hair ang lalo nyo. And also this one, yan, pang ahit or shave. And scissor used for this one Mueller if I had finger. Pinafinger ako sa laro. This one is very effective. And lastly, don't forget to bring your toothbrush. Kasi I have a lot of times na na-orlok na ako or natulog na ako sa mga teammates ko or sa mga kaibigan ko kasi malayo pa yung bahay ko from school or sa mga nilalaroan ko around Taguig and Paranaque. So next one is my makeup kit. With matching ano to. Of course. Ito lang yung mga parang basic needed ko. Everyday makeup routine. So, powder. Let me show you how I did my makeup. Kasi diba, everyone knows na hindi ako masyadong marunong sa makeup. But then I'm trying because it's 2020, we need to be upgraded. Put some ama like that. Yan. Yan, pampa-fresh lang siya. As an athlete, you don't need some makeup na nauhuhulas. Lalo pag naglalaro, dapat ano lang. Pang-freshen up. And next one is, of course, lip tint. Ay, di ako lip tint. Is this okay? You can see. And also this one. This is liquid. Para mas kumapal yung kilay ko, I'm using this one. This liquid. Kasi papaahit ko na naman ulit. The manok said it all. And after that, this eyeliner brush. Eyeliner. Basta para mabilis matuyo. I only ang ini-enhance ko lang sa aking face is the kilay and the lips. Yan. The kilay and the lips. And after that, this mascara. So, I don't know, but I think I'm the only one who used mascara on my kilay. Naging makeup tutorial yung what's inside my bag ko. But I just wanna show you guys na I'm trying to learn to do makeup by myself all day. It's fun. And lastly, I have a lot of talent. Mga tali. Pag naglalaro ako, hindi ako nakalugay. Nakatali ako. This brush for the freshinap. And also the mirror. Mirror on the wall. It's the prettiest among them all. And that's it inside my makeup kit. Yan. And ano pa ba? Power bank. Mabilis malobat yung phone ko, kaya I have this power bank in my bag whenever I go. And also after the game or before the game, use alcohol because of the gravity of the earth. Charot! Alcohol bago lumax or kumain after ng mga laro, need some alcohol. So, dito naman tayo banda sa shoes. I have here this sapatos. Sapatos na mag-1 year na sa akin. This is my medyas. Nilalagay ko lagi siya sa sapatos para aware ako na may dala akong medyas. So, ayan. This is the sapatos that I have. Nike. And sa small na bulsa. So, of course, don't ever forget God. So, binili to sa akin ni Daddy when we went to Alay Lakad last year. Itong rosary na to, always kong dala and lagi nasa bag ko just to protect me. And lastly, di mawawala ang sa lahat, yung jersey and yung ginagamit ko pag naglalaro. But itong jersey na to is I'm gonna give it to the lucky winners. Yes! Magkakaroon tayo ng pag-giveaways na naman. Because I have a lot of shorts na mahaba na hindi ko naman ginagamit. And also yung mga jersey, and kailangan ko na rin ibigay kasi wala lang. Hindi ko kasi ginagamit, I just need to give sa mga may gusto. But before that, here is my nipples. SNS. Look. Sira na siya. Pasira na siya kasi lagi ko siyang ginagamit and G ako sa lalaro ng volleyball, lalo na pag sa training, dapat walang bababang bola. And also, this supporter, elbow supporter, yan. Diba I told you all of my things, almost, they are all black. And panyo, after ng game, you must be punas your pawis so that iwas tayo sa sakit. I'm gonna show you yung mga ipapamigay ko na short and jersey. Tama ba may jersey? Yan, meron. So, dito ko nilalagay yung mga jersey ko na na ginagamit pag magpi-play. Binubukod ko siya para hindi siya madumihan and also bumaho yung amoy ng jersey. Kailangan nyo muna sagutin yung mahiwagang tanong ni Wasmi. And the question will be, ano yung pinaka memorable moment na nangyari sa buhay mo bilang isang atleta? So just comment down your answer and mamimili tayo din ng tatlo, the lucky 3, kung sino mananalo ng mga shorts and isang jersey. So this is the first one, the white with number 13, and also this one, the black and blue, number 2. Yan. And lastly, ito yung Cayetano Cup 2018 or 2017 na number 2 din. Yes, my jersey number are 2 and 13. 2 and 13 lang. Alaysa and then Lazaro. So, ayan. So, ayan na ang mga laman ng aking mahiwagang bag with matching. Meron pa pala mga banshin ko with a piso. Ayan na yun. Just comment down below your answer to have this jersey, this short, and this. So, if you already subscribe my YouTube channel, please share it to your friends who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Ang hirap pag English bash. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's it. That's inside my bag, and comment kung sinong gusto nyo halugugin natin para makita ang laman ng kanilang mga bag. So that's it for today. Bye. Bye. Bye.